Good morning, dear students. Today we'll continue with chapter 3. Students, in the last period we discussed about laws of chemical combination. Two laws we discussed till now: law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. Now next, John Dalton in 1808 put forward a theory based on nature of matter, and this theory is based on certain postulates called postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Okay. So, Dalton's atomic theory, it has some postulates. So, what are the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory that we'll discuss today? So, the first postulate of Dalton's atomic theory: all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Okay, all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Matter means what? Which has mass and occupies space. So this pen is matter, air is matter, duster is matter, everything is matter. This blackboard is matter. So all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Okay, this is the first postulate of Dalton's atomic theory. What is first postulate? All matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. This is the first postulate of Dalton's atomic theory. Now, second postulate. First, all matter made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Based on the first point, the second postulate: atoms are indivisible. It can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. So, first postulate of Dalton's atomic theory: all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Continue with this atom, with the first postulate. This atom is indivisible particles, and which can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. This is second postulate. Atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Students, this postulate is important because based on this one question comes: which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory proves law of conservation of mass? So, what was law of conservation of mass? In any chemical reaction, total mass of reactant is equal to total mass of product. Means mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in any chemical reaction. So, this Dalton's atomic theory, one of the postulate, this one, second one, it proves law of conservation of mass. because this postulate is atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created nor be destroyed in any chemical reaction. Okay. Now, third point. Atoms of same element are identical in mass and properties. Identical means same. So, atoms of same element means if I take sodium, so atoms of a piece of sodium, so it will have sodium atoms. Its mass, shape, size, properties, everything will be the same because the sodium element will be made up of only sodium atoms. And mass of sodium atoms will be same. Properties will be same. So, what is your third postulate, Dalton's atomic theory? Atoms of same element are identical. Identical means same in mass and properties. Atoms of same element are identical. Identical means same in mass and properties. Like if you take sodium element, it will be made up of sodium atoms, and all the sodium atoms, their mass and properties will be same. If you take magnesium element, a piece of magnesium element, so it will be made up of only magnesium atoms whose mass and properties will be same. Okay. Now, fourth postulate, Dalton's atomic theory, atoms of different element. Now, students, if you take copper, a piece of copper and a piece of sodium, so copper will be made up of copper atoms and sodium will be made up of sodium atoms. So, these two are, they are atoms of different element. So, their mass will be different, properties will be different. So, atoms of different element will have different mass and properties, like copper atom, sodium atom. So, copper atom mass and property different from sodium atom. So, atoms of different element. Fourth postulate, atoms of different element have different mass and properties. Okay, more postulates are there. Till now we discussed four. First postulate of Dalton's atomic theory about matter. It is about matter. This postulate is about this theory is about matter. So all matter is made up of tiny particles. What is that tiny particles called? Atoms. Continue with this. Atoms are how? They are indivisible particles. It can neither be created nor be destroyed in any chemical reaction. Third, atoms of same element. They are identical. Identical means same in mass and properties. And fourth postulate, atoms of different element have different mass and properties. Two more are there. We'll discuss just now. Okay.